nice. No, wait a minute. I'm looking better than nice. I'm looking dangerous. Ow! Dangerous! Ah! Hey, what's that? Oh, it's my shadow. Hey, even my shadow's looking nice. I'm looking nice. My shadow's looking nice. What a team! We are unbelievable. Okay, team, this way. No, this way. Ow! Yeah! This way.
Listen, just hold your horses. Listen to me.
Uh-oh. Better make myself look big. Fearsome. I was fearsome. Me and my shadow. Oh, come on, boy. Walking down the...
Holly, what was that?
During the radioactive crisis state, your cat and her kittens were safely sealed in the hold, and they've been breeding there for 3 million years and have evolved into the life form you just saw in the corridor.
I don't get it.
Well, you know how mankind evolved from apes?
Yeah, I know that.
He evolved from cats. His ancestors were cats. He's descended from cats. He is a cat.